Okay, box number 2 for Monday. This one here is from Monticello, Kentucky. Okay, get all these peanuts out of here. This is a Case Dozer 750H. It's got the 6-way movement on the blade, I believe. So there's that. Really nice. Dig the rest of the peanuts out. Item number 2 with a load of peanuts in it. Case 330 articulating dump. Obviously, all the stuff in this box is going to be 1/50th scale, just like the 2 trucks that I just unboxed a few minutes ago. So, it's pretty much what I was expecting for those 2. Alright. Got another dozer. This one's the Case 1850K, 1/50 scale. This one's really sweet. I think I like this one better than the 6-way 750. And finally, for this box, do it for this box, is the Case 621D wheel loader, also 1/50th scale. So, I guess that's going to do it for today. I've got one more unboxing coming up, and it will be my Case excavator, 1995 release on that model. It's the 9030B. I'm pretty excited about that, so looks like we're in the construction business now. Alright, thanks for watching.